Hey guys, it's Liana back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a small business tips and tricks. I have more tips than tricks because I just do, and I wrote them down in my little notebook. So yeah, we're going to get straight into it. So I got my little notes right here. About 8 things written down, so yeah. You guys don't mind my hair, I'm just letting it do its thing. It's poofy right now, but I like it. It's really just natural. So. Okay guys, so the first tip that I have is, how should I purchase my business cards and thank you cards for cheap? There's many ways that you can purchase your business cards and your thank you cards. This is what I feel is the cheapest way, the easiest way. So yeah, basically you save your design of your thank you card or your business card, and you're gonna go on the Walgreens website and you're gonna print it off there, and you're gonna go to a nearby Walgreens. And why I feel like this is best and cheap, because I like try to do it, and you can get 100 business cards for $20. That's a pretty good price. Like, that's a really good price. And there's other apps that you can use where you can actually make your business cards on there and print them off of those websites if you have a printer at home. They're just more expensive for like 100 of them when you're doing that. So that's why I really would recommend Walgreens, guys. So this is only for if you're shipping from home. If you're not shipping from home, then you really don't need this, and this is really not for you. But if you're shipping from home, then this one will come in handy. So where to get cheap packaging or supplies for my business? I recommend 2 apps I have actually used and purchased from. They are really good apps. They are really cheap. It takes a while to ship because these apps, they ship from like China, but there's a way where you can ship them from the United States, but you just have to pay a little bit extra more if you don't mind doing that. So yeah, I would definitely recommend AliExpress and Alibaba. So they have like bubble mailers on there for like if you're selling small items, light items like lip gloss, jewelry, clothes, like, and they have really good deals. You can get like a 50 pack of the bubble mailers for like $30 or so. And they also have cheap boxes too, so if you're shipping heavy stuff like that, they're pretty cheap, but they're just a little bit more expensive than the bubble mailers because they're bigger. And number 3, what label printer should I get? Again guys, this is for if you're shipping from home. If you're not shipping from home, then you won't need to purchase this. You won't need to invest into this. If you're shipping from home, guys, then I definitely recommend you get this because it'll save you so much time and so much money. So yeah, I would recommend a thermal printer. No ink needed, so you don't need ink to ship your shipping labels. You don't need it at all. It's like automatic, and you save a lot of money. These can be pricey. Like on AliExpress and Alibaba, they have thermal printers on there for cheaper prices, and I'm pretty sure they're not too much of bad quality. It depends. They also have ones on there that are kind of expensive, but still not more expensive than the ones at the store. So yeah, I would definitely invest into that, guys. All right, on to the next one. And number 4, guys, what apps should I use to make my business cards and my thank you cards? So to like design your thank you cards and your business cards, because you're gonna have to put your name on there, you're gonna have to put your logo name, your business name, and stuff like that. Only one app that I recommend for doing thank you cards and business cards, because, and you can use it for free, but there's also an option if you want, you know, more features, then you would have to pay monthly. You will need to do a monthly payment, but I have used it free. I still have made a lot of nice business cards and thank you cards. I'm gonna also show that, guys, right here, and just show you basically a thank you card I made, a business card I made, and basically like they have templates of like multiple different thank you cards, multiple different business cards, and you just need to edit it and go in there, put your name, put your logo, change the color, you know, make it your own. And yeah. And number 6, what is the best business website to use, guys? So if you're starting a business, you're gonna need a website, because how are people gonna see what you're selling, how are people gonna purchase from you? Unless you're selling local, then that's different. But if you have a business and you know your products are online and stuff like that, you want to make sure that you have a business website. And the website that I would recommend for you to use is Big Cartel and Etsy. I feel like this is best for beginners. They're really easy to use. You can design your website however you want. I know Big Cartel, they have a free option, but it's limited. So if you want to use Big Cartel for free, you would have to sell 5 items or less. You can sell no more than 5 items, so that's the limit, guys. If you want to sell up to 50 items, you would only have to pay $9.99 a month, so $10. I had to correct myself, but yes, it's really cheap, way cheaper than Shopify, way cheaper than Wix, and all those other more advanced business websites. If you guys want to look into those, you guys can, because they're also good websites. This is just tips on how to start a cheap business. These 2 apps are the best. Etsy, you have to pay like 20 cents every time you post a product, but I could be wrong. I only know if you do digital, then it's only 20 cents. If it's physical, pretty sure it's probably just a little bit more, but it's still cheap. And a lot of different businesses are on Etsy, a lot of small businesses are on Etsy, so you could really blow up on Etsy more than Big Cartel, because Big Cartel is kind of like its own website, and you have your own personal website, and you know you're gonna have to get traffic. It won't help you get traffic like Etsy would. Etsy would help you get traffic and views on your website and everything like that. Okay, so number 7. And so this is a little different than what I've been talking about, because everything I've been talking about is if you're shipping from home, but this is dropshipping business I'm going to be talking about next. So if you don't know what dropshipping is, I recommend you look that up online. There's a lot of videos, people explain it, but basically you don't ship the items yourself, someone else will. So you'll have like a third party and you'll pay someone to ship the items to your customers for you. So yeah, basically, what are the best dropshipping business apps or vendors and items to use for inexpensive prices? Again, guys, I know I said this one earlier, AliExpress, but AliExpress is very useful. You can use it for many things. They also have a dropshipping choice on there as well. I have really cheap products on there. So like, say if you're doing jewelry or whatever you're doing jewelry, you're doing shoes, pillows, blankets, whatever you're selling, AliExpress has that, and you literally use their products for your services, and they will literally ship it out to your customers. You will have to pay like a shipping fee for each product that you ship out to your customers, but it's still pretty cheap, guys. The only thing about it is it has long shipping times, so the shipping times are longer. They can take a month. Sometimes they have options where you can ship from the United States, but it's rare. They only have a few products that you can ship from the United States, so it's kind of hard to work with that. The next one that I recommend, guys, that's still a good app, and you know, you don't mind, your customers don't mind waiting, then that's a good business to start off with, I feel like. But yeah, but I really recommend this next one because they have better shipping options, but they're just a little bit more expensive when it comes to the shipping prices. So yeah, I would recommend CJ Dropshipping. Basically, same thing like AliExpress. You know, you can use their services for your business. You can use their products for your business, and they will ship them out to your customers, but just faster. They have a lot of options where you can ship from the United States, ship from wherever you want. So yeah, guys, they're just a little bit more expensive when it comes to the shipping prices. So that's the only thing that you really have to worry about, but otherwise, really good app, and it's pretty easy, and it's really no different than AliExpress. And number 8, what is a free way to make my business name or my business logo? So there's this website that I have used, guys, actually, to make my business logo. It's very convenient, it's very easy. They help you make it so you know you won't have to do all the work, and you can freely download it. And that website is zarla.com, ZARLA.com. Yes, guys, I would definitely recommend You go there if you are struggling with making a logo and everything like that with your business name. I definitely recommend that because they have a million options. They literally do it for you, and you just pick what you like best and you just design it the way you want. Change the color, change the filters, whatever you want. And now we're almost close to the end of this video, guys. So I said I had 8 business tips, and this one is just things I recommend for starting a business. These few 5 ones that I have listed right here, guys. One thing that I feel like is very important when you're starting a business is staying consistent. So you want to make sure that you put your time into this business, and you don't just pick and choose when you want to show out for your business. You know what I mean? Like, you want to stay consistent, because if you're not staying consistent, you won't see the growth. You won't see people supporting you. People won't really see your business and stuff like that, so they're just not gonna really know that you're even doing a business. So you want to stay consistent. Post your business on all platforms, whatever you have, whatever websites you have: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, whatever. Tell your family to share, family's friends share, like everyone share, because it takes a lot to get your business noticed, and you just want to make sure that you're consistent, like every day posting your business and showing your products. So this goes on to the next one. So purchase your products to test the quality, guys. If you're shipping from home, then you're gonna have the products at home, because you're gonna have to ship them from home. You're gonna have all your products at home. Everything's gonna be at home. So of course you can just promote and take pictures and show people your products. But if you're not shipping from home and you're doing drop shipping, then you want to make sure that you purchase the items that you are putting on your business. Purchase like 1 of each. Test them out. No one wants anything that's gonna break. No one wants anything that's fragile, dingy, or anything like that. So you want to make sure that you test the quality for yourself before you trust these vendors and trust these people with these products. So yeah, because sometimes pictures can be deceiving. So you want to make sure that you purchase it, guys, and that you test it out for yourself. Take great quality pictures. I feel like the best pictures that I feel like have been like blowing up is like doing pictures outside in the nature and the natural lighting and the sun and the grass by flowers. If you want to go all out, then you can set up a whole light white background, little camera, and take your pictures professionally. You also want to find a theme, guys. So you want to know what you want your theme to be. What do you want your business to be about? What is your business bringing to the table? What is your business? So you want to make sure that you have a theme, guys, and the theme could be jewelry. Oh, you sell all jewelry, so people know on your business cards it'll say jewelry, jewelry business. People will know that you're only selling jewelry, and they go on your website, it's not all like crowded and all over the place. They see the jewelry, and okay, so that's what your business is based on. So you want to find a theme. It's very important to find a theme. Not saying you can't sell multiple things, because you can sell clothes with sunglasses as well, like you can, but I feel like when you're starting off, stick with one theme. But I just would recommend starting off with one theme, because it's easier and cheaper, and you can grow from there, and then you can just add new themes on there as well. So yeah, last one, if you're shipping from home, I recommend that you guys invest into goodie bags, and let me explain this a little bit more. So if you're shipping from home, you got your business cards, you got your thank you cards. Whenever you're shipping out your products to customers, you have to make sure that you put your business cards and your thank you cards in the packaging, so they can see your business cards, shout it out to other people. And then the thank you card is just for like just an extra thing, like saying thank you for the purchase and everything like that. Those type of things really do come in handy, and people feel more comfortable and trusted when they see those things. And yeah, so a goodie bag is like getting cute little goodie bags. And you can also get goodie bags on AliExpress, guys. They have a lot of different ones. Ziploc reusable bags. You can put your logo on it. They just have a lot of different goodie bags. And I know you guys probably like goodie bags, like explain a little bit more, but I'm gonna just show a picture of what goodie bags I'm talking about. So yeah, those are the type of goodie bags I'm talking about, guys. And you could put like freebie stuff in there, like candy. If you want to put like a free scrunchie, it's all up to you. But I feel like those type of efforts, you know, show a lot and your customers see that you're really trying, and they, you know, they appreciate that, you know. So I would definitely recommend, if you're shipping from home, to have goodie bags and put it in every packaging for your customers, because it's cheap. Like, it's really cheap, guys. You can go to the store and get candy, and literally that's a freebie candy right there. Or you can get scrunchies from the store and put it in there, and people might appreciate that. It's just a little extra, you know, touch to add to your business, and I just feel like it's very convenient. I've seen a lot of people do it, and you don't have to, but you know, it's just putting more of the effort in and just having people trust you more and build a relationship with you and everything like that, guys. So yes, that is the end of this video, guys. So I really hope that this helped you guys. If you guys have any questions about what I said, comment down below, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more business videos, just let me know, because recently I haven't been doing a lot of them, but I know I have like 3 up so far. You guys can go check those out. I'll also put those in the description. You know, again, if you guys have questions, just let me know down in the comments below. But yes, all right, guys, and we are out.